welcome to Kayleigh's Crafts. Today we'll be making a marshmallow printed caterpillar out of, you guessed it, marshmallows and some paint. So while you're all at home on your Easter holidays, this is a great springtime activity, making a caterpillar. So what you'll need before we begin is some marshmallows. Now we have gone for a mix of big and little marshmallows. You need some paper, you need a pen, and you need some paint. So our caterpillar is going to be modelled after a very famous book. So we have gone for green paint and red paint. And you'll need a picture to start off with. Now we've designed our own picture ready to put our caterpillar on. So let's begin. So you want to take your big marshmallow and dip it into the green paint. And what we're going to do is stamp it onto our bit of paper in a caterpillar shape. So watch me. So we're going to dip like this. Get rid of any of the excess paint that's dripping off. And we're going to dip that straight onto, just like that, and then we'll dip again and do another one just next to it. And so with my caterpillar I'm going to have him reaching up so he's in a little bit of a curve. Okay, and one final for the green. So I have gone for 5 green circles to make up the caterpillar's body. So now I'm going to take the red paint and do one final circle for the caterpillar's head. Okay, and again we take our large marshmallow, I've taken a clean one, and we're going to dip that into our red paint. And we're going to just print that just there. So now what we can do is we can take our little tiny marshmallow and we're going to dip that in the green and we're going to add on some caterpillar legs. So let's take our green paint again and we're going to dab 2 little mini marshmallows for every 1 big marshmallow. And there we go, that is all of our marshmallows done. So now what we need to do is wait for that to dry. So now that our caterpillar is finally dry, we're going to take a felt tip pen or a Sharpie and we're going to draw a little face and 2 dots for the eyes, and there we go. We have now completed our caterpillar. We would love to see your finished artwork, so please do tag Creative Eye and Norden Farm Centre of the Arts with the hashtag Kayleigh's Crafts so we can see all your amazing artwork on display on our social media. Thank you for tuning in to Kayleigh's Crafts and we will see you next time.